Hey there. Yeah, pretty good selfie there, huh? Hey, well, this is all about Johnny today again. We're finally getting around to it. I had other problems elsewhere. Okay, we have a 12 that says we're perfect for the 6-cylinder. Oh, by the way, new distributor. Had to tear into the new distributor and fix the funky new points. I either drilled the plate wrong or the points were made wrong, but I had to do some playing the games. And then I had to take this thing, and I had to cut it back because you couldn't get a nut, you couldn't get a socket in on a nut to unloosen it. So I had to cut it back, the plastic piece here. So now I can get to it. Had to repair that. That was yesterday's work along with working on my house stove. Okay, so what we got here is, I'm going to set this right here, and I'm going to hope that you can see the movement in the wires. Well, that's because the distributor's rocking around. Why, I don't know. But we have good spark on number 1. Now we're going to switch it over to another one here real quick, which would be number 2. Oh, that's like a way fast. You're supposed to be that fast. Now I'm gonna leave you right here. Look at the speed. Now I'll put it back on number 1 again. And you'll know right away what's going on about sparkage. Yeah, that one's not as fast. Now if I go farther back, the other day it was doing this weird stream. See? That's way too fast. Something's not right. Something's going on. So I got all new toys and we're going to put them in. I got a new one of them. New one of them. Now timing is perfect. When I've got it on number 1, I check my timing. It's perfect. Got perfect dwell. Rocks around, but when I get going down the road, it wants to like cut out. I don't know why, but it just, obviously there's something going on. And I have to go to that. So we're going to hook this whole system up. But I just wanted you to see that. There we go. That's the reason why. You get to see it later.
See? It runs perfect. You can't beat it, man. I'm flying up the road here. In my Obi. Look at the mountain way over there. Way over there. That guy's doing about 60. I'm doing about 55. Who knows? But I'm going to get on that one of these days. Man, this baby's running good with a new distributor coil. Went to a cooler plug. New plug wires. Second time in a year on the wires. But man, it's the best it's run.